lower one. No. Down the handle.
Here we go. Big Rock Park we have reached. Sir, vanakkam.
Sir, namaskara, sir.
How are you, sir?
So, idea is the vision as far as possible, okay? Especially in the turns also, try and look further ahead till the end of the turn so that you see what's coming on you. Then is the hands. So if you notice, most of you all ride something like this, with your elbows down. That's obviously the much more relaxed position. I personally call it like a grocery shopping position. So if you wanna be riding your bike and you wanna have a good stance, okay, and more importantly, more control on your motorcycle, I request to have a position something like this, right? Now, another good thing happens when you have the elbows up is when you have the elbows down, and if you want to take a turn, your elbow is touching you, all right? So your turning radius is limited versus when you have the elbows up, the turning radius increases. When you have your toes point out, and especially when you're riding on trails, there are rocks and roots which are of this size, all right? And as you're moving forward, okay, the rock is right here, and it's going to do this to you, all right? Versus when your toe is inside, okay, and even if I hit it, nothing happens. Basically, away from the control and toes pointing in, okay, both sides. This way, you get a good confidence of a grip on the motorcycle. You can practice this anywhere, including on the highways. Okay.
The briefing session was over, so we had some basics on how to set where your foot should be on the lever, all those things. The basic stuff. Now I think we'll have some practice session.
Few things before we start, okay? Maintain one bike length gap between each other, okay? And never rush and never overtake. Please focus on your technique now, okay? From vision to elbow to riding on the ball of the feet and grabbing the bike, okay? I'm gonna make the corrections when you're doing the oval. So if you guys do the right hander first,
okay,
and then we'll start the left hander.
Okay.
Get a feel of it. Make sure maintain safe distance, okay?
Yeah.
Don't run onto each other and never overtake, okay?
Likewise, we did a right turn. Now we are doing a left turn and getting used to the posture. So always your elbow should be out. So that is the trick. So you have enough space to move around, and wherever you need to go, you need to look a bit ahead. Like just see a 20 foot ahead so that you know where you are going instead of looking down. You should not look down. I am not using brakes much. I am trying to manage with the accelerator and clutch play, trying to slow down, taking a turn.
Okay, watch carefully. So when you want to take a left turn or a right turn, basically you need to move your body opposite side of the direction which you want to go. Let's say I'm on the bike, okay? This is my posture. Let's say it's a left turn. Okay, make sure you shift your weight on the opposite side of the bike and never lift your leg up. Okay, so lifting the leg up, you never know, if you crash, the bike might fall on your leg. Alright, make sure you just put your weight on the other side of the bike, like weighing the other side of the foot side, right?
I don't know what session is this. Ozzy, what session is now?
Flat track.
Huh?
Flat track.
Flat track. Okay, this is the second session for the day after the water break. came off, huh? Third jump ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ ಯು ಡೌನ್
ಫುಲ್ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈಡ್. ಗುಡ್ 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 ಗುಡ್.
Fuel leaking somewhere, no? That's a good thing about this thing. That's a well sealed.
Yeah, but I didn't know that.
That is open.
Opened, yeah.
You saw the new skid plate?
Not hurt or anything.
The power parts, right?
Huh?
Power parts.
Yeah.
Yesterday,
Yesterday they are launched.
Opened or didn't?
What?
Is it like you said opened?
This opened, right? Exhaust.
Oh, okay. For
Now the new
Something hits.